What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Man, it's a bit gloomy out here, and that's because I'm in Melbourne. I left my home. I got Ainsley behind the camera. Thanks for holding that for a second. Man, what are we doing? Today we're going home. It's Sunday, but we're going to, what's it called?
Black Label.
We're going to Black Label. I've never been to like Black Label or Status or any Stance things ever, but Ainsley invited us, and I was like, yeah, let's go and make a vlog. So I'm just gonna wing it. We're gonna go to that, get some food, go to the city. I need some film for my film camera. So can we go, Ainsley?
Of course.
Let's go.
Can I get a chicken curry burrito?
Yeah. Was that mild or spicy?
Mild.
Mild.
Can I get smoky
Yeah,
chipotle?
anything else?
Can you add smoky chipotle?
Could I get a calorie as well, please?
And a normal cali again, sorry.
No, that's all good.
What a mind changer. I don't want food.
Second.
Just normal.
Yep, just 3 calories, exactly the same. Smoky chipotle is like a sweet sauce.
He's so white that he got scared of the spiciness of the word smoky chipotle.
Last one, no.
We're just driving in the city now. We ate some breakfast, or kind of lunch because it's pretty late. We got Brad as well, just saying. Yeah, we're in the city. I said we're gonna get filmed, so that's what we're doing now. We're gonna get filmed from, I think, DigiDirect. If they don't have it, I'm just gonna try another camera store. Bro, I haven't been in Melbourne City so long. But let's just go get this film so we can get out of here. We just got here, Black Label. I don't really know what to talk about. I'm legit gonna walk around, take photos, and show you guys the cars, because there's music on, it's a bit loud, you know. So I'm just gonna make a montage of clips and just slap it all together with some music, and let you guys enjoy these cars. That guy.
Yeah, he smashed his son.
Oil, bro. Holy shit. We just oh, look at this. It's like a G60 Ute. That's cool. We just finished a Black Label. I got a plane to catch in like an hour, so we're in a bit of a rush. But I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage of Black Label. It's my first like stance thing I've been to. It's pretty cool. Man, I should make my car stance. That'd be pretty cool. It was good. Some of you guys come up and say hi to me. That was sick, bro. And also, another thing, if you're like scared of saying hi to me, don't be an idiot. Like, just come. It's easy to say hi to people. But yeah, let's get to the airport and get on this plane back home. So we're on the way to the airport. We actually got to Melbourne airport. And I was searching up like which are, you know, T1, T4 if you're from Melbourne, you know what I'm talking about. And then I read the itinerary and it says fucking Avalon Airport. I'm like, oh, we didn't go to Avalon Airport. Bro, our plane was in 40 minutes and Avalon Airport was like 40 minutes away.
And he sped the whole way.
And he didn't speed the whole way,
He
but we're
didn't
here.
speed the whole way.
We're here, so I don't know. But we're in like some country airport, bro. This is bum ass. I'm so scared. They're gonna put me and Daniel on a seaplane, though. They're gonna what the heck? They're gonna land us in the spit, bro. That's where they're gonna land us, bro. This is wild. Dude, what is this entrance, bro? Like,
Oh, you
what
beat
the?
the time by 2 minutes, man.
Well, dude, what airport is this, bro?
3.5 minutes.
This is so weird, bro.
That's ages.
That's fine.
Oh,
I mean, 2 minutes
I'm so
is
dumb.
age.
See ya. I'll just... Oh, what did we do? Well, what did I do? Absolute idiot, bro. We're like in the ends.